In this video, I'm going to show you how to make mud in Infinite Craft. To get started, the first thing that you will need to do is to open your browser or the application on your device. Now, once you have opened Infinite Craft on your device, go ahead and start creating a mud on Infinite Craft by dragging a wind on your canvas and an earth on your canvas and combine these two to create a dust. Now, go ahead and combine two water to create a lake and combine the dust and the lake to create a mud. And that is how you can simply create mud on Infinite Craft. It takes a few easy steps that you can simply do and keep in mind whenever you needed it. We hope this video helped you out. If it did, please don't forget to give this video a like. If there are any recipes that you want us to create a video for, please don't forget to comment it down below. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.